Welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how you can promote your CPA offer via medium.com. You can see I am on the homepage of medium.com, and this website is related to blog website. Okay, you can see many people have publishing their blog and it is on the timeline of medium.com. It is a similar website like Blogger, but this is not like Blogger 50% because we can read blogs here. It's like a social media, but people publish blog at here. Okay, but in Blogger we create a specific post and we have to share the link, but at here you can see we can see other people post blogs. Okay, so if you are searching for medium.com, if it's take a bit load, then that's mean this website is not available at your country. For this reason you have to use a VPN, like I am using touch VPN. You have to just go on Chrome web store and search for touch VPN, and here is the VPN. You have to add it. It is a free VPN, you don't have to pay money for it, and you have to connect it on USA or available countries. Okay, so I have used a VPN, and if I go on get started, they will show a join medium, and there is option for sign up with Google, with Facebook, and with email. I will choose the email. Okay, I have given my name and click on next. Now you can see they have sent me a email at my Gmail, so I have to visit the website, and you can see they have sent me a mail. Now click on create your account. So we have to wait because we are creating a new account, and there your full name is here, your email is here, and now click on create new account. Now what are you interested? I am interested in programming, data science, technology, business, Python, and other things. You have to choose where are you interested, like lifestyle, marketing, books, society, web development, software engineering. I am software engineering student, so I need this, and artificial student. Now click on continue. Now what you have to do, that we have to post on here, so we don't have to write any type of thing at here. For this we have to click at write, and another thing is we will not write anything. We will use AI, means artificial intelligence, for it. Okay, so they are giving us some instruction, but we don't need this instruction. I will show you on the video. Now cut it. Now you can see tell your story, title, and other things. Okay, here is some plus options. You can use the code, ask plus images and videos and other things. Okay, so at first we have to give the title. So I am I have choiced iPhone offers for CPA marketing, and I will promote this because sweepstakes offer gets more leads more than other offers. So another thing is we have to use medium trends. Okay, you can see this is an option for medium trends. You can see the trends at medium. We will able to post it here also. Okay, so this is the things you can do that. And the other thing is, suppose we will the Halloween is coming very fast, so we will create a post about Halloween. Okay, now we will go on artificial intelligence AI. So we will visit anyword.com. This is a artificial intelligence software, online based, and you can do all of the things at here. I have already made a video about artificial intelligence, so you have to watch that video. I will give it on the here at this option. So watch that video and get the full instruction about any word. Now click on set start for free. The video is going to be very big, so you have to watch the full video. Now I have to provide my mail. So I have already used these emails, so I have to choose another mail. I think I have used this mail, and I'm not sure that I have used this. We have to give a password. If this mail is used, then they will not allow us to create. Okay, I have to click on sign up for free. I am very sorry. Now click on never. So now provide the mail and give the password. This was a little mistake. I am very sorry for it. Now click on sign up. Okay, email is already in use, so I have to use another mail. Okay, I have recently created a new account, so they are saying that we have a verification link at that email. I will save this. Now the mail I have used at here, this is not available in my PC, so I have to show you an other mail I have get from any word at my this mail. Okay, I can find the message. So what you can do, that they will send you a mail and you have to verify it. Now I will if you don't get the mail, you have to reset it from here. Click on send again, they will send you, but I have got the mail on my phone, so I will verify it from my phone. They will send you a message, then you have to click on verify the message, then they will verify your account. Now we have to go on anywhere.com again. Okay, I have verified the mail from my phone. Now we can see the dashboard. Okay, that's okay. Now click on get started. Now we have to choose what is your main role. So our main role is online business, this type of things, and SEO, email, and this type of your main role you have to choose. My main role is copywriting. You have to click on here and click on here. You can go back also and click on content marketer. So how many people work in your company? Okay, now click on next. How did you hear about us? That means I think you have heard the name from YouTube in my video. So choose YouTube, then click on next. Now click on blog wizard. Now click on start. Okay, our half work has been done. Now what we have to do, we have to choose a story from medium.com. We have to visit medium.com, and on the home page we have seen some post, so we have to create a post like that. So you can see the communicative work and other things, YouTube did, and something blah blah something that how to create a Telegram bot using Python. That's a very simple. So I have chosen a category. I will make a video or blog story about YouTube. So describe the blog post you want to create. Okay, you have to describe it on the 30 words. Okay, um, YouTube future. Now choose the topic YouTube. Okay, now SEO keywords. You can also choose the SEO keywords, and your targeted keywords can be elevated here. So we will go on the Google and search for some YouTube keywords. Search YouTube, and on the here you can see some. You have to control C it. Sorry, control C. Now come on back on here, and you have to write it again and again. But we can only use some these of keywords. Only 7 were available for the free option. So after using this, we have to use some another text because we if you click on next, you can see we have to use at least 5 words at here. Future. Okay, I have give the words and click on next. Okay, we can also cut it. So topic or industry, at this option you can choose a technology and computer and click on next. The AC option is optional, but you can use. On here you have to choose a title, so they are generating a title for us. It should take a little bit time. Okay, now click on next. Okay, now we have to choose outlines. Okay, we have to choose a very good outline. We can choose it and click on next. Now give a intro paragraph. They will generate a copyright free and plagiarism free paragraph for us. They will choose the thing for us. Now click on next. Now that's okay. Complete setup above. Now click on continue to editor. Okay. Now they will show us some instruction. So we have to click it here. Okay, that's okay. So we have to add some other things at here, and you can also give instruction and keywords. So I don't have time to give that. We will copy the title and come at here and paste it, and come back to any word and copy this. And you can also check plagiarism at here, but they will give plagiarism free content for us. Now give Ctrl V. Okay, that's okay. Now what we have to do, we will add our CPA links at here, and also a image should be added. Now click on here. Now click on this option. Now search for YouTube because our topic is YouTube. Okay. Now there's an image we have to choose. It is finding images for us. What we can do that we can also cut it, or the image has been loaded, so click at this image or any other image you want to choose. Okay, that's nice. Now at this option, at the lower option, here we will promote our CPA offer. Now get a free iPhone 13. Okay, now we will use the link. Now we have to use HARE link. I have already made a video about HARE.me. It's very easy to use and more facilities than Linktree. So recently, sometimes Linktree doesn't allow CPA offers, so we have to use another website like Linktree. I have already made a video about it, so we have to visit the website. Now you can see for the full instruction was made that video. Okay, now click on view live, then copy the address, Control C. Now we have to back on our new story and click on paste it the link at here. Okay, now click on publish. Okay, now we have to give the topic. Okay, YouTube. Okay, now click on some text like YouTube. Click on publish. Okay, now our post has been published and we have to edit something like edit profile and upload an Apple image because it's very useful. Now click on update, and you can also use bio at here. Now I will give the Apple logo at here. You can download it from Google. Okay, now save it. This is saving. So this was the video about. If you want to get more information about this video, you can comment us, and if you have any problem to understanding this video, please give me a comment and I will reply all of the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have liked the video.